In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is to open CapCut. Upload the video that you will be editing. Here is the video. I will blur the subtitles of the video. Then you will need to find from the bottom video effects, click on it, and go to Lens, and then find the blur effect. Once you do, click on it. So after you do that, you will need to now add an overlay. So close that and then find the overlay option and choose the video that you are already editing to add as an overlay. So once you add it, you will need to zoom in, adjust it in the right way, and then find from the below the mask option. Here you can choose the shape that you would prefer and the right shape for you. You can choose one from many shapes that CapCut actually is providing, or you can also adjust it in the way you prefer. Once you click on it, it's going to basically blur the subtitles video for you. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.